Well, hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to go through the first phase or first step of actually building a cantilever gate. It's going to be 18 feet long and 52 inches tall. We're going to be using, well, let me start out with saying I'm not a fabricator by design. I'm not an engineer by design. I'm just your backyard welder trying to build a gate from a property. Anyhow, we use 2x2 square tubing all the way around it. Then we run it about 10.5 inches down from the top. Then we also went in with some 1/2 inch square bar. It's not tubing, it's actually solid bar to fill in the 36 inches at the lower section of it. And of course we're going to use the same bar on the top, but we'll space it out a little differently. We'll also have a center support in the middle of it. We may decide to go with 2 of them. I'm not quite sure yet. Maybe one of y'all gurus out there with knowledge that does this for a living can offer some suggestions on it. And of course we're going to have 2 supports at the top. And it's a cantilever gate. It's going to be a lot of weight resting on this, on the rollers. In the middle there we're going to have some metal art made up. Probably going to say Arrowhead, Cove, and then we'll have a couple of dogs cut out of metal put on the end of that. Again, this is just a short video of the progress I made today on this little cantilever gate for entrance to the property up around Livingston, Texas. Once we get a little closer to finish it, we'll add another video to this section of it on our YouTube. Welcome any comments you may have, negative or positive. I know I was looking on YouTube for a lot of videos on how to do this, and I really only found a couple that was really offered anything that gave me any advice. We appreciate you watching the video. If you like it, I want to see our other videos. We have a lot out there on custom-made or homemade sawmill and a water wheel drilling machine that we built. The sawmill is really fascinating. Cut some really nice mesquite and cedar with it. But anyhow, folks, thank you for watching. I'll post the second part of this in the next couple of days. Thank you. Well, I cut the first video a little short, but did a little bit more work on this cantilever gate. Just wanted to kind of shoot the progress as we was going along. Again, we're using 1/2 inch square bar, 2 inch all the way around the outside, 14 gauge. We're going to actually in the middle there we're going to put something. My wife and I are big dog lovers, so we're going to put something in the name of a place and maybe a couple of metal art dogs in there. Again, the gate is actually 18 feet long, 52 inches tall from bottom to top, with a 10 inch opening in the middle. I cut the bottom 1/2 inch square bars, 36 inches, and cut the shorter ones on the top. Just an update on the progress of building this gate. Once we get it closer to finish, we'll add another video. Stay tuned for the next part.